My name is Ming-Kuo Lee. I'm a hydrogeologist. My research lab is equipped with ICP-MS, XRD, and XIF for high-resolution chemical analysis of water and environmental sample. We also provide field equipment for sampling and collecting water quality data. We use modern software such as MapFlow and Geochemist's Workbench to simulate groundwater flow and contaminant transport in natural aquifer. In the past few years, my research extends across 3 different areas. One main research focus is arsenic in groundwater. Developing countries such as Bangladesh has large population exposed to high level of arsenic in their drinking water. So we study the natural sources, mobilization, and bioremediation of arsenic in groundwater. The bioremediation research is needed for the community and the industry who has a need to remove toxic arsenic from groundwater. My research group also analyzed spatial correlation between groundwater contaminants and different types of cancer in rural communities. We measure radon, inorganic, and organic contaminants in cancer patients' well water. Our results show that 75% of leukemia cancer cases use well water as their primary source of drinking water. So this community-based research coupled with GIS analysis, allowing us to identify environmental contaminants that impact public health and in rural communities. Also in the context of climate change, a big research question is how the long-term change in precipitation and temperature will impact water resource. So we analyze long-term water table trends at the USGS monitoring well in Southeast US. We discovered that the groundwater table continued to decline since 1980s. We're looking for more graduate students to study how climate and groundwater interact, which will help guide water resource management. In closing, this is a really exciting time in hydrogeology. Please join our team if you're interested in developing clean and sustainable water resource. If you have concern about groundwater pollution and their impact on human health, as a professional hydrogeologist, you can find many exciting career options. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you soon on campus. War Eagle.